Hello, this is Eric from Jarhead Paracord. I've had some requests from viewers asking me how I do the individual knots. I initially hadn't included those. I figured there were enough videos on YouTube showing the round and square crowned Sinnet, but you've asked for it, so I'm going to try to give you a shout. You'll notice that there's a total of 8 strands here, 2, 4, 6, and 8. This was a transition from a 4 to an 8 strand, which is transitioning from the shaft of the get back whip to the handle. The handles that I do are roughly about 8 inches in length. But basically, you'll notice that the round crown Sinnet barber poles around, and it basically alters it at about a 45 degree angle. The easiest way I found to do this is when your strands are going up on the right, regardless of which way you're holding. If the right side is going up, you'll take the right side, bring it across and to the left, and you'll bring the right from the bottom over, making 2 loops. Then you'll take the right side, bring it over the first loop through the second, and then the left side over the first and through the second. This would be the same process if it was a 4-strand knot. Obviously, you would just have 4 instead of 8. And you'll see before I pull it tight that they're coming across at a 45 degree angle as compared to the last stack, which is what causes it to rotate around. Pull that tight. And repeat the process. Again, you see that 45. One more time. The biggest thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that everything's pulled through evenly and that it's tight. And again, you'll notice that it's transitioned from 4 to 8, widens for the handle, and it continues to barber pole. Rather than stacking on top, it's coming across at an angle. Now, if you wanted it as a square instead of a round, then what you would do is just simply bring it to opposite ends. So starting, you bring the left over to the right, up or top down, right to the left, and the bottom up. And in here, you'll notice that rather than a 45, that's exactly the same location or direction that they were facing before. And you'll also notice that now the up strands are on the left side as you continue this process. Again, hasn't rotated. The second time it goes through, they go back to the right. Third time it goes through, the upside will be back to the left. And now you'll notice, let me get one more in there. Now you'll notice that the colors are no longer rotating but going up straight, and rather than a rounded appearance, it's squared off. So that's how you do the round first, the square second. The square is the process that I use to tie the panic snap in, simply by feeding it through and coming over. I'll do a video later when I'm at that stage. But if you have any questions, feel free to give me a shout. Like the post, follow me, and check us out at jarheadparacord.com or Jarhead Paracord on Facebook. These whips are for sale, but for those that are interested in the art of paracord, this video's for you, showing you what goes into it so that you're able to do it yourself, and it also shows you the individual time that it takes, for somebody that might be interested in how these go together, but want to see what the process is. And my whips are available for sale on jarheadparacord.com. Feel free to check us out. Thanks. Have a wonderful day.